Your job ends when you do, but this, it keeps going. At least I'm building something I can leave behind. This business can be passed to my children and grandchildren. That's a legacy. It's not just about me anymore, it's about my family's future. I was tired, underpaid, and stuck in the retail, but I said yes to a simple idea, a digital business that works for me even I don't. I took training, stay consistent, and now I'm mentoring others too, earning smart income, and finally feeling hopeful. It isn't about luck, but it's a commitment. I built something that outlives my life. Make your family proud, as Jim Ran said. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Want to leave a legacy, not just bills? Leave a message, and I'll personally guide you. See you.